Hello everyone. In the 3.0.63 update, Hidemyacc has updated the synchronization feature to help users synchronize actions between profiles. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to use this feature. First, you need to select the profiles you want to synchronize actions for. The first selected profile will be the main profile. All actions you perform in this profiles window will be simultaneously repeated in other profiles. You can select this icon to switch the main status to another profile. Before running profiles, you need to set up the following parameters. First is using the scale profile to adjust the size of the content in that window, making it larger or smaller. Next is arranging the window layout. You can manually adjust the position, size, space, and number of windows arranged in a row. If you choose automatic layout, the system will automatically arrange these windows based on your screen size. You can choose one of these three ways: grid, overlapped, or default. Default is the default position of that profile the last time you used it. Please note that these parameters cannot be adjusted after running profiles. To start synchronization, click the Start Synchronize button. The profiles will be arranged as you set them up earlier. You can click on the widget section and a control panel will pop up, helping you set up the parameters without reopening the Hidemyacc app. In the Windows settings, you can set the size of the open windows. Uniform size allows you to standardize the size of the controlled profiles with the main profile. After changing the main window size, click Uniform Size to synchronize the size for the remaining profiles. Additionally, you can select the desired size in the monitor section and click Custom Size to change the window size of the profiles. In the text section, you can set up the text input in each window. If you want to input random numbers, you need to fill in the desired range and click Enter randomly. To input the same text for all profiles, enter the text in the identical text settings and press Type as human. You can set the typing speed in the settings section. Additionally, you can set synchronization for other actions like shortcuts and mouse actions. To input different texts for each profile, you can create text groups and fill in the content for these groups. If you choose Designated, the system will input the text from top to bottom, taking the text according to the order of the selected profiles. Example, in Text Group 1, you set the text as Antidetect Browser Hidemyacc, the best Antidetect browser, multiple accounts. The initial order of selected profiles is Profile 1, Main Profile, Profile 2, and Profile 3, both are controlled profiles. When choosing Designated, the corresponding text for the profiles will be entered in order. If you choose Enter randomly, the system will input random text. You can create additional text groups as needed. With the Clear Text button, the system will clear the entered text in all windows simultaneously. To manage the tabs in open windows, use the Tabs section. When clicking on same tabs, the tabs on the main profile will be synchronized for the controlled profiles. For example, in the controlled profile, you open additional tabs to work with. The number of tabs in the main profile and the controlled profile will differ. When using same tabs, all tabs in the controlled profile will sync to match the main profile. To close the current tab in each window, select Close Current Tabs. To close all tabs except the current tab in all profiles, choose Close Other Tabs. When choosing Close Blank Tabs, the system will close all blank tabs in each profile. To access the same websites in each window, enter the URL and click Open. If you select Open Link in the current tab, the first URL will open in the current tab of each window. Above, Hidemyacc has guided you on how to use the synchronization feature. This feature allows you to copy all actions from one profile to the other profiles. You can use this feature to manage and maintain a large number of accounts if you are not yet proficient with the automation feature. If you have any questions, please contact Hidemyacc via our live chat. Wish you success!